Have you wondered how could you make money without having 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours? You are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how you can make some real money the day you started YouTube. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and my name is Sam. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and click the notification bell so you don't miss every updates. In this video, I will tell you a secret which help you to grow your YouTube channel, so stay tuned till the end. In order to be monetized, it is known that you have to reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours within 1 year. Today I will show you 7 different ways to earn money even if you are not monetized on YouTube. The 7th one is the best and most effective method of earning tons of money, so don't miss it out. The first one is brand deals or sponsorship. Don't sit there and wait for your channel to reach 1000 subscribers. Make your content to attract sponsors or reach out to them yourself. Even small creators can land micro influencer sponsorship. Pitch yourself directly or use platforms like Upfluence, Creator.co, Hipsy, channel page, and so on. As we know, YouTube has its very own service to connect YouTubers with brands. However, this is not the only way to start creating sponsored content. Plus, if you manage to strike a deal yourself, it means that you don't have to cut out YouTube. Sponsorship deals can be arrived organically. If you create content in a specific niche, you may find those brands and sponsors reaching out to you themselves. The second one is license your content to the media. This means giving other media platforms or organizations the right to replay your content for free. Either leave it to media outlets to contact you directly or try listing your videos on marketplace like Jokin Media. The third one is sell your merch. Even if you are not a YouTube partner, you can still sell your own branded merchandise. Merchandise is a great way to make money from your YouTube content and build a community and connect you with your audience. Keep in mind that if you are not on the YouTube Partner Program, you won't be able to have a merch shelf on your channel. This means you will need to create your website or online store through which your viewers can purchase their merch. Remember to shamelessly promote your merch through your videos and other social media platforms, including the links to your website in your video descriptions and captions. The fourth one is channel membership. A lot of YouTubers use this method as a way of generating income. Turn on channel membership. Channel membership lets viewers join your channel through monthly payments, and they also can get access to members-only perks that you offered. So their monthly payment would be one way of income for you. The fifth one is offer services. If you have a skill, then pitch it. For example, if you have a video editing skill, graphic design, social media management, consulting, and like so, then what you have to do is mention your service in your videos or descriptions and link a platform like Fiverr and Upwork. Then get monetized for your skill. The sixth one is crowdfunding or fan support. Let your early audience support you directly by using platforms like Buy Me Coffee, Patreon, and like so. These kinds of platforms are very best for creators with loyal communities or for storytelling and educational content creators. Here comes the best and most effective way to earn money on YouTube. Even for some YouTubers, it is a means of earning more money than ad revenue, and it is called affiliate marketing. If you guys see my videos, most of them are about affiliate marketing. I am a big fan of affiliate marketing as it generates tons of money for doing nothing just by copying and pasting a link. I am also an affiliate who is working with some best affiliate program websites, so you are listening a guy who is already engaged in the industry. Let's say if you promote a product which has a commission value of $40, then if you are able to sell at least 10 products per month, you are making $400 from a single product. Imagine if you promote at least 5 product which has the same commission value, do the math. You are making $2,000 for doing nothing just by copying and pasting a link. So stay tuned and I will show you how it works. Simply, affiliate marketing works like this. You have to promote someone else's products in your videos and earn commission for every sale made through your link. Many people made mistake here. They have watched many videos about affiliate marketing and also applied the methods and steps that they learned, but they got nothing or they might earn a pocket money. What is the reason? Because they pick some random products and copy the link and paste it. In this way, you can't be effective while doing so. Here are some steps that you have to follow to become a successful affiliate and earn some real money. The first one is choose the best affiliate program website. Not every website are the best website to generate money, even if they have affiliate program. You have to make sure whether they have best products, whether they have a lot of traffic or not, what payout method they have. Do those payout method works for you? What is the payout schedules? What about their accessibility? Are they worldwide or limited? And the main part, you have to be conscious on how many days cookies do they have, because it has a high impact on your income. Saying this, my 3 best affiliate program websites are Amazon, ClickBank, and Digistore. You can also choose your own, but you have to be careful while choosing your affiliate program website. And the second one is choose the right product. I have did this thing a lot of times and I would say it again. When you choose a product, it doesn't have to be what you want or what you are interested on, because it doesn't matter what you want. What really matters is what your target audience wants and have a higher demand on. So be careful while choosing your products. What are the higher demand products? In my opinion, digital products, health and fitness, technology, and beauty related products are a high demand products. The third one is choose your promoting channel according to your niche and target audience. The best promoting channels are YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. You can also promote on Gumroad, Payhip, and Ko-fi. If you want to grow your channel exponentially and want a guidance, here is the tip I told you at the beginning of the video. It is called Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. It is an ebook which contains the best YouTube courses, and he runs a bunch of YouTube channel and not only getting monetized, but also he have got a gold and silver YouTube play buttons. From his ebook you will get many tips and benefits so much more, as he demonstrated his experience that he got for decades through his journey as a content creator on YouTube. He also provided an online class and webinar on how to grow your YouTube channel. The link is down below in the description. You can join the program and also purchase the ebook. If you want to see every steps of affiliate marketing, especially on how to join an affiliate program and how to promote your products, I would recommend you to watch this video which pops up in the screen. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video and got something from it. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and bye bye.